Introducing the GrandTour Premium Cargo Box. Modern and sophisticated with an automotive finish, its low-profile design is an ideal complement to today's high-end vehicles. It's available with 16 or 18 cubic feet of cargo space, so you can stow what you need and get out in style. From snowboards to soccer balls to golf clubs to all the luggage, the GrandTour can hold whatever your weekend or week-long excursions call for. And thanks to its dual-sided opening, you can load and unload with ease from either side of your vehicle. Special cutouts allow the box to sit lower on the crossbars for a cleaner, integrated look and smooth ride. Sleek on the outside, the GrandTour is just as clean on the inside. Our newly designed torque knob takes the guesswork out of creating a safe, secure attachment to your vehicle and then gets out of the way. This removable knob creates a flat loading area with more usable space. Internal lid stiffeners make for easy opening and closing and add durability. Integrated tie-down points offer another option for keeping your cargo where you want it, and SKS locks are included so you can rest a little easier at the rest area. Okay, let's get the streamlined beauty into place. First, remove the keys and use them to open the GrandTour. Hear that pop? Good. That means you're doing it right. Now, locate the torque knob and use it to loosen the front bolt on each of the clamps. Then, slide the clamps all the way forward on the rails and close the box. You'll need a friend for this next part. With their help, lift the box onto your vehicle's crossbars. Position the box so that the clamps are in front of the crossbars like this. Now slide the box back and center it on the crossbars. This is a good time to open the rear hatch and make final adjustments to the box so there's no interference between the two. Make sure the box is properly aligned and straight on the roof rack. Then, using the torque knob, tighten each clamp until the knob begins to click, like this. You can now stow the knob in the storage spot behind the box handle. To make sure everything is solid, tug in all 4 directions. It should not slide on the crossbars at all. If there is movement, check the clamps and make sure they are snugly engaged with the crossbars. Then adjust and retighten if necessary. Securely push down the lid and close the box. Time for the fun part, loading up. Position your heaviest gear in the center of the box. Then balance the rest to the front and rear while avoiding the lid hinges. If the box isn't fully loaded, you can use the tie-down points for added security. Close the box, lock it up, and you're all set to go. Wherever you're taking your GrandTour, remember to take it easy.